Cooking like a pro, time-saving, hassle-free, money-saving hacks you need to know. Prevent pasta sticking by adding oil to the boiling water. Prevent noodles from sticking by using a large pot with enough water and stirring regularly. Some cooks, like Baldwin, also add oil to the water before boiling the pasta for a slight coating effect. Employ deli lids for cutting through multiple round items simultaneously. Save time slicing round items like cherry tomatoes or grapes by placing them between two deli lids, then cutting through horizontally with a knife for a quicker process. Freeze individual servings using ice cube trays. Baldwin suggests freezing larger quantities of ingredients like chipotles in adobo or tomato paste in ice cube trays for easier portioning and use in future recipes. This trick is also handy for freezing homemade chicken stock or leftover wine in convenient, small amounts. Store ginger in the freezer to make grating easier. Avoid the hassle of dicing ginger by keeping it in the freezer, recommends Baldwin, who suggests grating the frozen ginger directly when needed, eliminating the need for peeling and making the process much easier. Slice pizza using scissors. For a cleaner pizza cutting experience, consider using Culinary scissors, ensuring they are clean and easily disassembled for proper hygiene, or opt for specialized pizza scissors like the Sitzes from Dream Farm. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.